Cheers to chickpeas and cucumbers and sun-dried tomatoes and... First things first. Okay, so this salad comes together fairly quick and it's gonna be eaten fairly quick. Also, this salad is all to taste, so as much or as little of each ingredient as you like. And we're gonna start with the chickpeas that we're just gonna drain and rinse and then place in a large bowl. Next up is sun-dried tomatoes that you can finely chop or slice into strips as well. And this is what happens when you try to film with a toddler. I mean, it's a pretty good whip pan. Place those sun-dried tomatoes in the bowl once done, and then grab some mini cucumbers, and you can cut them up however you like and also place in the bowl. Next up is a red onion that I'm just gonna slice into strips, or you can finely chop. And if you wanna get rid of that little bite, you can place the onion strips in a bowl with ice water for about 10 minutes and it'll mellow out that onion bite. Lastly, grab some fresh basil and you can tear it up, or you can do what is called a chiffonade, like this, by placing the basil on top of each other from largest to smallest, roll up like a little cigar and thinly slice into strips. And that's it. It's a beautiful looking salad. Now it's time for the dressing. In a bowl or a jar, pour some extra virgin olive oil and then red wine vinegar. I'm doing a 3-to-1 ratio here of oil to vinegar, and then we're gonna season with salt and freshly cracked pepper, some lemon juice, and then honey. I have some hot honey or just regular honey. Pour it in and then give it a nice shake. A simple yet delicious dressing to go with this salad. Give a taste and adjust any seasonings, and then mix the dressing into the salad and go from there. As much or as little as you like with the dressing, because this salad is all about your tastes. Combine everything and then give one last taste test, and then plate it all up and bring it to the table.
Okay, not only is this tasty and delicious, it's also nutritious. This is a perfect summer salad. Now you can go with a spoon. I prefer a spoon. You can also go with a fork, whatever you want. Whatever you do though, you gotta give this one a go. And as always, the full recipe is in the link in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, ciao.